It's a wonderful day for wisdom with wonder and segue. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Let's draw a card from the mystical shaman oracle to see what magic the universe has in store for us in 2026. What does our higher self, our cosmic, magical, shamanic self have in store for us? What are we remembering in 2026? What's magical in 2026? Angels, spirit guides, higher wonder, higher you, higher Segue One Spiral Galaxy Kitty, aka Barney. What's your energy in the cards? Yeah, thank you. Alright. Let's see what message we get, Segue One. Let's see. What magic is in store for us in 2026? I really want to know. What magic is in store for us? Too many. I have other decks I want to draw from too, Universe. What's magical in 2026? What's magical? Show me the magic. Alright. The coyote. They've been coming. Well, that's not my glasses. My crown, coyote. I'm trying to take my crown. They've been trying to give me messages lately. Keep seeing them in my feed and images here and there. Number 12, which is a 3, 3, 6, 9. Coyote, look at all this magic. I feel like the coyote is a misunderstood magical being. They're connected to the cosmos. Feel that light, third eye. There's green coming out of their eyes and their heart. And there's some cosmos. They're connected to their heart and the cosmos. Oh, coyote, what wisdom do you have for us about magic in 2026? I really want to know. Let's see what the book says. And it was in reverse. So I'll read the medicine. Medicine. The essence. The coyote is a symbol of the sacred trickster, the one who provides detours for growth and understanding. By ensuring that things don't go as planned. What? The coyote brings the energy of divine deception to set you free from the shackles of that which doesn't serve you. Sometimes it appears that you will get everything you want, only to find out that coyote brings you the opposite of what you hope for. Oh, what? The lessons offered by coyote may at first appear confusing, but they are most sacred and always for your highest good. Okay, so taking it as we shouldn't be attached to any specific one outcome of a situation or what we thought should be or would be or could be, because the universe has something even more magical in store for you. So you just need to let that old thing you're attached to go. So the medicine, since this was in reverse, is, are you being seduced by what you think you desire? Could it be that the more superficial, sparkly, shiny aspects of your ambition led you to this moment, or led you in this moment? Perhaps you feel that in order to get what you desire, you have to compromise yourself, control others, or manipulate situations to ensure your goal is met. Coyote howls, howl, howl, howl! That was fun. In the shadows to remind you that this may be a lesson too painful to learn. Beware the shallow waters right now. Something or someone might pretend to be deep, but that doesn't make them so, no matter how seductive their superficial traits and how beautiful or sparkly they appear. What? All that glitters there will not turn up gold, no matter how many wishes you make to change that. All right, so use your discernment to know what is true for you. Does it feel like good love energy? Or is there a trickster? Thank you, universe. So maybe the magic of this year will help reveal that trickster energy. So now that we know, we can look out for it and only believe or know what you know is true in your own heart, in your own truth. Thank you, Coyote. That brings us to the tarot of the great outdoors out here in the great outdoors. All right, Segue and I. Let's see. Oh, great outdoors, nature. I am you, and you are me, and I am you, and you are me, and we are all one. We are we. What wisdom, magical wisdom, does Mother Nature, the universe, our higher us, we are nature? What do we have to say for ourselves? What magic is coming 2026? Are we waking up to our magic in 2026? It's a magical year, universe. How? How is it magical? Show us. Show us the magic in 2026. Yeah, super magical. That's right. Oh, thank you. It's so magical. We got 4. Oh my gosh, that's not your glasses, Wonder. Just calm down. 9 of sticks. What are you planting? You planted something here. It's growing. You're nurturing it, taking care of it, sharing it with others, getting help. You're growing all these trees. Thank you for doing that. 9 of sticks. What you're planting is growing. And we got the Page of Blades. Something playful here. We got the snowballs. We're maybe on a bunny hill. We're playing. It's fun. Follow me. I'm the leader. Wait, no. We're going to throw some snowballs. If we fall down, we just get right back up. And we have fun with it. We don't take it so seriously. We slide, we flow, we go with the snow. And 5 of vessels. Oh. Something about your home, your abundance, what you're nurturing might feel threatened. So speak your truth about it. Don't let anybody come threaten your home and your babies. Oh no, they're blossoming. And the 3 of stones. Remember we're talking about crystals. Looks like a quartz. Hey, wait. Or is it a fungi? Oh, it's glowing. You got some quartz crystal. Maybe it's selenite. Like this magical selenite fungi in my forest. It's a healing, amplifying crystal. Cleansing. Camping. Divine feminine. And divine masculine. They're doing work to get all these sparkles and abundance. All that they planted, they're collecting the abundance from it now. Oh, that's beautiful. So I love that. So yeah, planted your seeds and you're being playful about it. You're including all your loved ones. They can come along and slide with you, or they can fall. But if we all choose to play together, our family is protected. Don't let that trickster snake, that trickster coyote tell you that you're not protected or that you don't have all that you need, because that's not true. You are able to collect your abundance now. Woohoo! Look at it. Yes. The rise of the feminine energy. Collecting your pentacles, your crystals. So that's nice. I like it. Let's see about the Wildwood Tarot. What comes out in that, since we're in the Wildwood. Yeah, kitty. Do you want to kiss the deck? Well, I would love that if you want to come kiss the deck. He's gonna kiss the deck. Put your energy in the deck. Meow meow. Nice. That's very good. What magic is coming, Segue 1, in 2026? Let's see. Okay, thank you. Yeah, let's see. We're asking the question, what magic is the universe bringing in 2026, Segue 1? Yeah, what magic is coming? Let's see. What magic is here for us? Well, let's see. Maybe it's telling a story. The sun of life. That looks pretty magical for 2026. Our heart chakra is open and our solar plexus is letting us know we are abundant, we are magical, we are powerful, we are one, we are barefoot connected to Mother Gaia, getting those sun rays. We are magical, we are nature, and nature's pretty freaking magical. It's a 19 to the 10. It's a new beginning for us. It's a magical new beginning. And 5 of arrows coming out of frustration, because you're just trying to shine your light and you don't need all these arrows coming at you anymore. In 2026, they are leaving. Whoa, what? A page of vessels reminding us, hey, there's a fulfilling offer coming in for you. Let's just play and have fun. You can heal all those, what were they that came out as daggers? Those arrows in this healing water. Let's play together, heal our waters together. And that leads us to the 8 of vessels. Our waters are healing together, and they're overflowing with abundance and rebirth. That's what we have to look forward to, the magic of 2026. So, don't fall for that trickster energy. No, because you planted your seeds. And you're ready to play now. You're playing. You're playing with others. And now that you're doing that, you're saying goodbye to all that old fear and lack consciousness. And you're collecting your abundance together with those you care about. It's emotionally fulfilling because you're not alone in it. You got your loved ones in your community. Beautiful. Thank you, kitty. Wow. Isn't that beautiful, kitty? Oh, I just love it. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a card from the Muse Tarot. Got my little Muse kitty with us. Oh, Muse Tarot. Tell us more about what magical things are coming in 2026. I really want to know. Tell us about the magic in 2026. Oh. So we got confirmation again on the sun. So whenever a card comes out twice, it's double confirmation. Got the sun. The sun is typically the happiest card in the whole tarot deck. And we got it in two different decks, the Wildwood and the Muse. 2026 is magical, you guys. You are shining bright in your authenticity, the yellow, your courage, your confidence to just be you. There's nothing more beautiful than that. Okay. So let's get an animal spirit oracle to see what wisdom the animals in nature have for us at this time about the magic that's coming in 2026. Oh, thank you, animals. What magic is coming in 2026? Or what magic is here for us now in 2026 as we're celebrating this brand new numerological year of new beginnings? What magic is coming in for us that we can expect now? 2026 is finally here. I got two little critters that kind of look similar, and one of them is a repeating card, and it's number 4, Badger Spirit. Be fearless and bold. It really reminds me of my Wolverine spirit guide that I went on a shamanic journey to get to on my year of shamanism. The friendly neighborhood shaman, we went to see what animal guide is to help us with fear, and at first I thought it was a badger, but it was a Wolverine. But badger is pretty fierce too. And you can be brave and bold in 2026 to be your authentic self, because you got that sun again in the sunflower. Authenticity. And it came out with the skunk spirit. Know your worth. This little guy came to me in my first shamanic journey with some other animals. And his name's Stinky. He's running around spraying everything and just laughing. Skunk spirit knows how to play. But know your worth. Go ahead and spray your stink on everything. What? You deserve to. You see, he's on a sunflower. He's ready to be his authentic self and know his worth. He's done hiding his stench. You be stinky, stinky. Be brave and bold about it. We really want to smell ya. Doesn't sound good. All right. Wonder's a weirdo. We got that figured out. But what crystal, intention, oracle can we get today as we close this reading to find out what crystal can we work with at this time for our highest good and to help us bring in our magic for 2026. Got some crystals. Oh, they're magical. What crystal wants to work with us? We got two. I got one of these in the house. Didn't bring it out here, but Unikite. It's kind of green and pink. Very nice for your heart chakra. Understand the underlying causes of challenges in relationships. Balance the mind and emotions. Good connections with supportive friends and family. Maybe you're gonna have more time with supportive friends and family and strengthening your connections in 2026. That's pretty magical. Unikite helps you do that. And it says, my emotions are balanced. I react to others in an objective and loving way. Yeah. So a lot of the healing journey is how do you respond? Maybe you used to react, but now you're more observant and you can just respond. And we also got black obsidian, which I showed you my little black egg last time we were out here. Oh no, I think it might be in my car now. But obsidian, grounding, protection, release negative thoughts, maintain attention on the present moment, increase situational awareness, improve responsible thoughts and actions for the new year. You'll be more grounded. Release those negative thoughts. Don't bring them into the new year. Stay in this present moment. Don't worry about the past. It's over. It's gone. Don't worry about the future. Infinite possibilities. We don't know which one we're stepping onto till we're on it. And energy flows where attention goes. So put your attention on what you want the energy to flow to create the magical reality you want for 2026. I pay attention to what is going on around and within me. I am attentive. Beautiful. Thank you for joining Wisdom with Wonder. We need an outro song. Thank you for joining. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for listening or watching or setting your loving intentions out to manifest more magic in 2026. And I'm really grateful that you're here. You're welcome in this safe space to just be you. And I hope that you continue to have a wonderful day. Much love.